Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to import review in Shopify. So in order to do this, just you have to open the Shopify store and type the review here. Here you can see our new page is open. So here you can see how you can get reviews from different kind of sites. So in my case I want to get reviews from AliExpress. So simply you can install the app. Now you have to wait for a few seconds. Our app is being loaded. So after this, when you successfully loaded the app, just click on install app. So here you can see our app is being installed. Now it will take some time. So after installing the app, you can import review from this website. So if you want to get review from different websites, you have to install app that is supported with Shopify. So here you can collect the review from this website. So just click on collect now, and here is the process to get completely review from AliExpress. So you can easily get reviews from different sites in Shopify. So this is very easy method. Just install the relevant app and get the reviews.